Welcome to this tutorial on how to research and buy stocks using Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular investment app that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities with no commission fees. To get started, you will need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access it through their website. First, you will need to create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide some personal and financial information to comply with regulatory requirements. Once your account is approved, you can fund it by linking your bank account or using other accepted payment methods. To research stocks, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to look for specific companies or browse through the various categories and lists available on the app. You can also use the news and market data sections to stay up to date on market trends and news that may affect the stocks you are interested in. When evaluating a stock, there are several key concepts to consider, including the company's financial health, industry trends, and competitive position. You can find this information by looking at the company's financial statements, such as the income statement and balance sheet, as well as by reading news articles and analyst reports. Once you have identified a stock you are interested in buying, you can navigate to the stock's detail page to view more information and place an order. You can choose from several different order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute if the stock reaches a certain price. It is also important to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance when buying stocks. You should have a clear understanding of your financial situation and investment objectives before making any investment decisions. It is also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different stocks and asset classes to minimize risk. Finally, it is essential to monitor your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed. You can use the Robinhood app to track your investments and receive notifications when certain events occur, such as when a stock reaches a certain price or when a company announces earnings. By following these steps and doing your research, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals using Robinhood.